Not sure what comes. I think it's wise.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Erath County in north central Texas, Hood County in north central Texas, until 7 p.m. At 6:01 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing ping-pong ball-sized hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Huckabee, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Morgan Mill around 6:40 p.m., Old Trail Shores and Granbury around 7 p.m. This will impact Interstate 20 between mile markers 366 and 386. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter until the storm has passed. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Thursday morning for north central Texas.